The first thing we want to do in this problem is find f of 0. So we'll substitute 0 into the equation for x. This gives us 0 squared plus 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. The point 0, negative 2 will be on our graph. What you don't want to do in this problem is to divide both sides of the equation by 0. In other words, thinking that what you're doing is solving for the variable f. F is not a variable. F of 0 means find the value of our function when x is equal to 0. So let's get rid of these and go on to the next problem. To find f of negative 1, we'll substitute negative 1 into our equation for x. This gives us negative 1 squared plus negative 1 minus 2, which is 1 plus negative 1 minus 2, and that's equal to negative 2. So the point negative 1, negative 2 is also on our graph. To find f of 3, we'll have 3 squared plus 3 minus 2, which is 9 plus 3 minus 2. That's equal to 10. So the point 310 will be on our graph. If we graph our function on a graphing calculator, we'll have y equals x squared plus x minus 2. And here's what the graph looks like. If we do a trace, you can see that the point 0, negative 2 is on our graph. So this is 0, negative 2. Here's our x value of 0. Here's our f of x value of negative 2. The next thing that we calculated was f of negative 1. And remember, we found out that that was equal to negative 2. So again, this is our point negative 1, negative 2. This is x, and this is f of x. The last thing we found was f of 3, so if we trace for 3, we find out that it's equal to 10. Our f of x value is 10.